Maliit lang kung titignan pero malaking problema kung maiipon ang mga itinatapong diapers kada araw. May plastic component pa naman yan, ang mga yan kaya hindi basta nabubulok. Pero mayroong amazing solution na dinevelop ang mga eksperto. Tara, let's change the game! Gaano kadami ang nagagamit na diaper ng isang baby kada araw?
Si baby, kaya sa isang araw nakakalimang diaper po.
Nakatatlong diaper sa isang araw.
3 beses po sa isang araw.
Mga 7 sa isang araw magagamit ng apo ko.
At sa buong Pilipinas, mahigit 3 milyong diapers ang natatapon kada araw. Mga diaper na may plastic at di basta nabubulok. Ang ibang diaper, hindi basta plastic, kundi maituturing na hazardous o mapanganib tulad ng mga galing sa ospital na posibleng may dalang sakit. Ganyan ang kinukolekta ng kumpanya ni Maydelin Goton.
Part na rin to nung sa nung sa problema natin sa mismong basura. Kasi kung tutuusin nga natin, yung isang peraso nga, bago ma-decompose, 100 of years. So, what more pa yung 3 million?
Hindi madali ang pag-manage ng human waste gaya ng diaper, lalo na at nagtataglay ito ng material na plastic na kapag ka itinapon, hindi nabubulok. At para matapos na ang problemang ito sa paggamit ng diaper, here is a solution from the experts. Presenting Hero, ang diaper na may kapartner na plastic-eating fungi na dinevelop sa Austin, Texas, USA.
Inside this little pouch are little friendly fungi that are sleeping inside. And when the baby poops or pees, you just literally take off the diaper, you drop the whole pouch in, you don't have to open it, you drop the whole thing, and you close it and you throw it away in the trash like normal.
At pagkatapos ng ilang buwan lang,
These little friendly fungi will be fertilized by our baby's poop or pee and will start growing and will start growing and then start eating the diaper. Eventually, it'll break down.
ipinaliwanag nila kung bakit kaya ng fungi na mag-decompose ng plastic sa diaper.
Essentially, all plastic is made out of fossil fuels. All fossil fuels is dead trees and animals. Fungi evolved to break down trees because essentially they're made out of the same thing.
Pero para sa produktong ito, iba't ibang uri ng fungi ang inilalagay.
Hero uses a blend of fungi, and they are very interesting plastic-eating fungi.
Gaano naman sila kabilis magbulok ng diaper?
Here we have our Hero technology with a full-size diaper in a jar. And as you can see, it's already started to take over the diaper and almost fully immerse it. And here we have the same thing after 6 months. So you can see that it's taken over even much more. Here we're seeing the diaper being digested. Here you can see 3 months after the first jar, how it's all fully taken over. You can't really see any pieces of the diaper. And here we have roughly after 9 months. This end product is just digested plastics and essentially earth.
Ano naman kaya ang masasabi ni May sa produktong ito?
Tingin ko, sir, hindi lang sa part namin mawawala yung problema. Makakatulong to sa buong Pilipinas kasi kung yung ilalagay yon tapos decompose na, pwedeng isama yun sa pataba sa lupa.
There you have it mga kapuso. Here is an amazing solution to the world's daily problem on human waste and single-use plastic. Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako si Martin Javier, changing the game!